My Happie Scrappie January sub has arrived, and the theme is You Are Just My Type. I got this one in a personal wide rings. There is the cutest little cat booty on the seal. Hopefully you can see that there. Super. So this is the kit here, and first off, I know I'm going to love it. Just looking at the colours of it, absolutely love it. There's a pen, it says U pin on it. One thing with all of Sam's pens is they're always really nice fine gel tip pens that are really lovely to write with. So I'll just see what it writes like here. So you can see it's a very fine black gel pen. It's also a gorgeous pastel pink, and there's a refill with it which has polka dots on it because the pen you can see through the barrel. I'm not sure if that's a removable sticker. I think that might be not removable, but you can still see quite a lot of the refill in the pen, so that'll look cute with the polka dots. First of all, I'll have a look at what's in this bag. So this is the same for all subs, whatever insert size you receive, you'll get the goodies that are in this bag. So super cute notes here with a typewriter. There's a lot of those, you can see there, quite a lot of those, and that's just a notepad. They're not sticky, it's a notepad. Really cute and a good size to write on. Oh, these are cute. So some cute checklists and various animal macaroons. And then we've got some headers with a, looks like rose gold foil on them. There's two of these actually, and they've got days of the week. So there's 6 weeks, and then there's a section here just with decorative items on them. It might be quite hard for the camera to actually pick this up, the rose gold foil. And then there's some clear stickers in typewriter font, so great for tabs. The little ones will be really good for tabs, and these bigger ones will be nice on dashboards. Quarter boxes. The little sticky note stickers that Sam does that are really cute. Super cute little teapot here, and they're also a rose gold foil. Oh, these are cute, the tabs for the month. So these you fold over for the tabs, so there's 6 different tabs there, and they're also rose gold. The date covers are rose gold and super cute. And then there's a sheet of headers that don't have any words on them at all. So I think the intention is you can use some of these clear stickers with those to create your own headers with words. There are 2 sheets of these nice big typewriters which you can use these stickers with. So these will fit on here, and then they'll be really cute on the front of dashboards and things. So there's 6 of those, and they are super cute typewriters. And there's still more stickers. There's this one here with 8 full boxes and 4 half boxes. These have, it looks more like a hollow foil on these ones, but really cute artwork. So they seem to be the stickers that have come in the January kit. I love them, colour palette, I love it. And then we've got this bag. So this is the insert, and these are the papers and vellum. So whatever size kit you subscribe to, you will receive all of these papers and vellums. There's 4 papers and 2 vellums, and the papers have rose gold foil on one side, and then cuteness on the inside. This one has lovely handwritten words. And then this typewriter one has this inside. It's a nice plain background for decorating, for using some of these other stickers on. And then these are the vellums. So this one is typewriters with all sorts of words on them, like brave, love, nurture, create, and there are some blank ones where you could put your own word stickers here if you liked, or just leave them blank. And they've got cute little hearts on them as well. And then this vellum is super cute. Little teapots and cups and macaroons. So it's like this paper, which is also super cute, but it's in a vellum form with a rose gold foil. Cute, cute, cute. The last thing in the sub box is the personal wide rings insert. So this is the first rings insert I've received from Happie Scrappie, as I normally subscribe to the B6 size Traveller's Notebook. So inside it there are 2 cardstock dashboards. It's cute typewriters on one side, and this super cute macaroons on the other side. And then these will be the weekly pages. So inside here there's 7 boxes for each day of the week, and there'll be enough pages for an entire week. And then there's quite a nice thick number of dot grid pages, which is super cute pink around the edges, and cute typewriters on the inside. So I got these personal rings just to be able to try them out in my kikki.K B6 planner, as the inserts that printable shops have are wider than an actual B6 page size, whereas the kikki.K planner is designed to use actual B6 page size in it. So if I just pop them in there, just to give them a go, I can see they are a bit shorter than the kikki.K inserts, and they are a teeny bit narrower. They seem to be shorter than they are narrower. They do fit though, they're just a little bit smaller. And you can see from the size comparison here, this is a printable from Planners Anonymous, which is designed for a standard B6 page size, and I've cut that at 5 by 7 inches exactly, whereas a B6 page size is a little bit under 5 by 7 inches. And you can see just with the personal wide rings page size here, it's shorter and narrower than the 5 by 7 inches. But it would actually work fine in its own section in this planner. And these dot grids are super cute inserts with the little typewriters on them. So I'm definitely going to use them inside the planner, but I will change my sub back to a Traveller's Notebook B6 subscription. That's my quick unboxing of the January Happie Scrappie sub kit. I'm loving the colours and the cute artwork in the kit, and there does seem to be a lot in the kit this month, and these typewriters are truly just so cute. Love them. So I'm very happy with this sub, but that's the unboxing. Thanks guys.